Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to light speed your animation using motion clips. Okay, I'm going to start by importing a character. I go to the Content Manager, then Actor, then double click on Character, and on G3 Human, I'm going to use Vogue Male Side. Okay, double click, and now I have one character right here in the timeline. Make sure you are on frame 1. I'm on frame 1, very good. Now I go to the Content Manager, I go to Animation, and then go to Template, then Motion in Animation, I'm on Motion, G3 Human, Vogue Male, and then I'm gonna do a sequence of clips. First, I will make him stand like this, very model-like. Then he will start jogging. The letter S stands for start. Then letter L stands for loop. This is the looping motion. And then the end. So I'm going to start jogging, double click, and then double click on the looping of the run cycle. Then again. And then he ends. Double click on jogging end. And then he will stand. How about stand number 3? Double click. He scratches his head. And then he will start walking. But walking version 2. Version 2 start. Okay. Double click. And then I'm gonna do 2 loops. Walk 2. Then loop. Then again, he's a little bit angry, and then he will finish walking. Double click on walk end. Okay, and then I can go to, I'm on animation, motion, then G3 human, and I'm going to select folks side. Then select perform, and how about if we make him dance? Alrighty then. Now, check this out. We have, it took us 0 effort. We did nothing. This is Lightspeed animation. This is a complex animation. Check it out. I'm gonna play it. He starts running, and then he stops, and then, oh my God, he remembers. Then he gets a little bit angry, and then he lets his frustration out with some dance. All right. See that? That's a lot of animation. This would have taken me maybe around 1 hour to animate. And how much did it actually take me? Well, about less than a minute. This is crazy. This is Lightspeed animation. Now let me adjust the duration of this animation to, I'm going to open the timeline, click on motion, and then I want the animation to stop at frame 474, okay? I go to settings and then type that number, 474. I press OK. All right. Let's make sure the looping is on in the playback controls, and we have our animation. Okay, great. Now this was Lightspeed animation. It was super quick. Again, we didn't really do anything. We just took advantage of the hard work and thousands of hours of animation done by the team of animators at Revolution. So this is super cool. This is smart work. It's as if we had an expensive crew of animators at our disposal. Now, we got lucky because all the animations stacked up together perfectly. But sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you need to be able to transition between 2 motion clips. Let me show you really quick how to do that before we finish this lesson. Right now we have the timeline showing, and make sure you have the character selected. If you have it unselected, just click on it and you have it selected. And then make sure you have motion activated. If it's deactivated, you can just click on it, and now I can see all the motion clips I used, right? So I will go to the ending clip of the dance, and select it and press delete. Then I go to the ending frame. Let me zoom in to this ending frame. And let's say we do some crazy meditation. You can find that meditation in animation, then motion, elastic for the front version, and then click on perform. And I'm going to select meditation. Double click, I have the cursor in position, then double click on meditation. Okay, I'm gonna meditate a couple of more times and finish the animation right there on 463. Okay, as you can see, between meditation and standing like this, there's a jump in the clips. You see? It's terrible. It's jumping from one position to the other. You can add a transition really quick like this. Select the meditation clip in the timeline, and you will notice that there is a little clip, a little transition for this clip. You see, it appears, that little square. If I deselect it, it disappears. You see, now there's nothing, there's no transition. But if I click on it, it appears. That's the transition. So all I have to do is drag this transition for about maybe 10 or 20 frames. And now let me play it. Now there's a smooth transition. Okay? Let me undo to show you the difference. It was like this. Boom, a big jump. Let me redo. And now there's a transition. You see? Very smooth, very nice. Okay, so as you can see, this is Lightspeed animation. Super quick. We don't really animate anything. We just took advantage of their hard work, the hard work they did for us. And they are super happy to help us get our animations done faster. Great. Now, in the next lesson, I'll show you how to create and save your own reusable custom content for your animated series. I will teach you how, once you have some hard work put into your animation, how to save them as motion clips so you can use them again and again on later episodes of your YouTube series. Okay? Great. See you in the next lesson.